Taxis, people still use taxis, not as often anymore. But taxis, many times they're self-insured. Sometimes they have commercial policies. Sometimes they're owned by the taxi cars are owned by individual people, and they just pay to put the taxi symbol on their car. Well, that changes the dynamic quite a bit because if they're paying the company to put the tag on the car, they may have a higher policy, personal policy, but we may not be able to go after the taxi company. However, if they're en route and they're currently working as a taxi driver, if we ever had to make a claim, we would still make a claim towards the taxi company. And then that taxi company, if they paid anything, may subrogate back from the person that caused the accident, which is their driver. If that taxi company is self-insured, you would look at that taxi company's liability coverages to cover you for any injuries that that taxi negligent driver may have caused. Let's say you're in a taxi and somebody crashes into the taxi. Well, at that point, it's not the taxi driver, it's the person that caused the accident, which would be the at fault party. And then those entities or those peoples yourself would make a claim against the people that actually caused the accident. Let's say you're a passenger in a taxi company and the taxi company crashed into somebody else, you can still make a claim towards that taxi driver or the taxi driver's company. We can definitely go through the process. Every case is a little bit different. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Our number is 813-421-3411.